Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw ALCREMIE, which is another Pokemon. Looks like whipped cream. So let's start by drawing what looks like a strawberry. This is the right side, so just kind of pointy section here, and then let's draw 3 dots, make it look like a strawberry. And then it's going to be sitting on top of what looks like a dollop of whipped cream. So starting from here, we're going to draw basically an oval that goes around, and it goes behind this strawberry looking thing. So continue behind and forward and stop. Now let's draw on the other side something similar. Again, we'll draw what looks like a strawberry over here, a little flatter at the bottom and then more pointy at the top. 3 dots and an oval for the dollop of whipped cream. So here's the line, go behind the strawberry, continue it, and an oval going towards back to the middle. So let's draw the top with a curve that curves in and then to a point, and bring it back as a point to the right side here. And now we can draw what looks like bangs for the head. So from here we'll draw these curved lines, kind of vary the size of them, going from one dollop to the other. And then underneath here then are a couple more dollops. So coming from here, let's just draw a line, a curved line first, and then step from the end, draw another curved line that comes back. Again from the end, come over and up. We'll do the same over here. Starting from here, curve down, start rounding it off, and here go in first and then draw another curve, and one more, just like that. So now let's draw the bottom of the chin. Then the face will be sitting right here. So right here would be the chin, the bottom of the face. Let's just draw a line all the way across. Got a little mouth here, just a little dot, and then the eyes will be oval shaped. So let's draw one oval right here and another one on the other side, and draw a couple black pupils. The iris itself will be red, and then we'll draw a highlight right at the top. Okay, couple dots right above the eye, just above the eye, and the face is done. So let's draw the lower part of the face here, or head. Line that goes up to a point, come back down and go across. Okay, let's draw the arms. From here we'll curve downward first to the fingers, curve it up, and to the thumb that bumps out a little bit, up, and then finish off the arm going to the face. And we'll do the same on the other side. From here, the outer part of the arm goes down, and we're going to start forming the fingers. And here we'll be able to see all 3 fingers, and back up. Alright, let's finish off the body. So from here we're going to go down with a curve to the foot. The foot's going to come out a bit with a partial oval, and now we can finish this bottom curve for the body down here and curve it up, and this is going to go directly into the foot here. So let's draw the right side of the body first. from the finger, go down, and here the top of the left foot down to the toe and back. Okay, let's draw a couple curves right here, undulating curve, and that's the main body. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and draw some of the detailed lines. So up here we'll draw a big crescent and another crescent up here, and all these crescents just basically show how it's like a whipped cream with varying colors. These crescent shapes will actually be colored pink, and just look at your reference picture or just follow how I'm doing it here. So now what I'm going to do is draw additional shadow lines with a thinner pen. Okay, so finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight some of the basic main shapes of this drawing by using my thicker Sharpie, and as usual, to me this just makes it look a little bit more interesting and separates the main features of the drawing from the details. And you can vary the thickness of these lines, which is what I like to do, where it's, notice right here, it's thin and then it becomes thicker, and you can just do that by varying the pressure on your Sharpie. Although there's a bit of a limit with this particular Sharpie. A brush pen can be a little bit easier to do this. And that's it. This was ALCREMIE, another Pokemon, fairly easy and straightforward. I'll color this and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching and have a great day.